Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. I'm your host, and today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the AINOPE USB-C cable Type-C charger. If you've been struggling with a mess of charging cables, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive right in. First up, the AINOPE USB-C cable comes in a 2-pack, and it's designed to be more durable and convenient. Have you ever had a collection of different charging adapters cluttering your space? This cable is the solution. It's compatible with both Type A and Type C interfaces, making it versatile for all your charging needs. But here's the kicker: it doesn't stop there. With this cable, you also get 2 additional USB-C to USB adapters, professionally designed for enhanced durability. These adapters turn your devices into USB-C enabled platforms, opening up compatibility with a wide range of devices, including MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. Now, let's talk speed. The AINOPE USB-C cable supports fast charging for all USB-C devices, thanks to its PD Max 60W power delivery. This means you can charge your devices up to 40% faster compared to other cables that provide 5 volts 2.4A output. Plus, it offers data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. But wait, there's more. This cable features a right-angle design, which is a better option than traditional straight-angle cables. It won't get in your way when you're charging, playing games, watching videos, or reading e-books. It's a thoughtful design for a comfortable experience. The AINOPE USB-C cable is universally compatible. It works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including Samsung Galaxy phones, iPads, tablets, Nintendo Switch, MacBook Pro, PS5, Xbox controllers, laptops, and more. It's the one cable that fits all your A or C port charging needs. We all know how important durability is, and this cable doesn't disappoint. It has electronic safety certifications, laser welding technology, and a special SR joint design to ensure it lasts 30 times longer. With 40,000 plus bend tests, you can count on this cable to withstand the test of time. In conclusion, the AINOPE USB-C cable Type-C charger is a game-changer when it comes to charging cables. It's versatile, fast, durable, and compatible with a wide range of devices. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to convenience. Thank you for joining us on this review of the AINOPE USB-C cable here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and are interested in this cable, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another tech review. If you have any questions or thoughts about this product, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, I'm your host, signing off, and wishing you tangle-free charging ahead.